Imagine a world where traders no longer sit in front of their screens, analyzing charts and news. Instead, advanced artificial intelligence systems do it all for them, faster, smarter, and without emotional bias. As AI continues to revolutionize every industry, a pressing question emerges. Will Forex trading as we know it be replaced by AI-driven systems? This question isn't just theoretical. AI is already reshaping trading, from hedge funds leveraging machine learning to retail traders using AI-powered bots. The shift is happening. But does this mean human traders will become obsolete? Let's dive into the possibilities and challenges. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's deeply integrated into Forex trading. Here's how. 1. Speed and efficiency. AI systems analyze thousands of market data points in milliseconds, identifying patterns and opportunities humans might miss. 2. Emotion-free decisions. Unlike human traders, AI doesn't get greedy, fearful, or impatient, which helps avoid common trading pitfalls. 3. Customizable trading bots. Platforms now offer bots that can execute trades based on predefined strategies, from scalping to trend following. 4. Big data utilization. AI algorithms process vast amounts of data, from economic reports to social media sentiment, providing a more comprehensive market analysis. For example, companies like MetaQuotes and NinjaTrader have integrated AI tools into their trading platforms, making them accessible to retail traders. While AI has undeniable advantages, replacing human traders entirely may not be straightforward. Here's why. 1. Market psychology. The Forex market is heavily influenced by human emotions, fear, greed, and herd behavior. AI can analyze patterns, but predicting human psychology in real time is a different challenge. 2. Adaptability. Markets often react to unpredictable geopolitical events or sudden economic shifts. AI relies on historical data, which may not always account for unprecedented situations. 3. Creativity in strategy. Human traders often rely on intuition and creative problem-solving. For example, understanding cultural nuances in a currency's country of origin might give humans an edge. The future likely lies in a hybrid model where AI and human expertise complement each other. AI as a tool. Traders can use AI to handle repetitive tasks like data analysis and risk management, while focusing on strategic decision-making. New roles for traders. As AI takes over execution, human traders may transition into roles such as strategy designers or market interpreters. Increased accessibility. AI tools will make Forex trading accessible to more people, lowering entry barriers for beginners. However, there are also challenges, including ethical concerns, regulatory scrutiny, and the risk of over-reliance on AI systems. Let's fast forward to a scenario in 2035. 1. Hyper-competitive market. AI systems dominate the market, executing trades at lightning speed. Profit margins shrink as strategies become more efficient. 2. Minimal human interaction. Human traders are limited to overseeing algorithms and providing occasional adjustments. 3. Regulation wars. Governments may step in to regulate AI trading, fearing market manipulation or systemic risks. 4. Democratization of AI. Advanced AI tools become widely available, allowing even small-scale traders to compete with institutional players. While this future sounds exciting, it raises concerns. If AI systems control most trading, will the market lose its human touch? Will the gap between AI-powered traders and traditional traders grow too wide? The rise of AI in Forex is both an opportunity and a challenge. Here's how you can stay ahead. 1. Learn AI tools. Familiarize yourself with platforms offering AI trading, such as MetaTrader, with machine learning plugins or cloud-based AI analytics tools. 2. Develop unique strategies. AI excels at replicating strategies, so focus on creative, human-driven approaches that machines can't easily copy. 3. Embrace continuous learning. Stay updated on AI trends, market behavior, and regulatory changes to adapt quickly. In conclusion, while AI is transforming Forex trading, it's unlikely to completely replace human traders in the near future. Instead, the most successful traders will be those who learn to leverage AI as a powerful ally. The question isn't whether AI will dominate Forex, but how you will adapt to this new era of trading. Will you harness its potential or let it outpace you? As AI continues to evolve, the lines between human and machine in trading will blur. But one thing remains constant: the need for strategy, adaptability, and a keen understanding of the market. So, the next time you execute a trade, ask yourself, are you ready to embrace the future, or will you cling to the past?